Yeah, been getting lit, okay. It been like this all day. See why they tired, don't get no okay. Eating good, this big buffet. Feel like a coach and I been cocaine. Young nigga ballin', I been like Train. I hit you shorty, that made my day. I get the swag, I up my red. And I got me a stash, but I don't know when. I need an opinion, it didn't depend. Why they talking my name if I didn't attend? Asking them questions, it feel like the fans. Live for the risk, I been on the edge. Came with a tree, she came with a leg. Nigga, you chatting, talking like Ted. We didn't care about what you said.
What it do, YouTube? I'm back with another banger for y'all. So for today's video, we're getting closer to Christmas. We're getting closer to the holidays. So what, better thing to do when it's time to the holidays than to make a gingerbread house. So, I thought that'd be pretty cool, put my skills to the test. Let's go ahead and sit down, see if I can do it, and let's get into it. Yeah. Alright, so now, I'm back on my setup. You see, got my gingerbread kit.
Bruh.
Let's go ahead and waste no time, and let's go ahead and open this bad boy. How do you even open it? I'm crying. I guess just like this. Damn, bear stuff, yo. Damn. Alright, so we just took it out. Let's go ahead and get a thumbnail real quick. I bet. Alright, so I guess we're just gonna put the icing on. I guess there was instructions, but you know me, I didn't read no instructions. This is how you do it? Damn, I'm crying. Damn, I don't even know where that went, but alright, I got my icing. I got the front of my house. So I'm gonna just apply my icing. Bro. Shit comes out so slow. I'll give you a better view like that. Oh my gosh, at this rate we'll be here all day, y'all. Yo! So something just cried, yo. Alright, so you see my lines, they're kind of skinny. Hopefully, my walls, it holds up, but let's not waste no time. Let's go ahead and see. Put it together. Now, how do you do this, yo? Alright, I'm gonna grab this big one. I guess I'm gonna just... Okay, what? Okay. Okay, wait, where do I put this one? Why is there two doors? This is just reeds. Alright. Damn, I'm crying. Yeah, I'm focused and locked. But let me know what you guys are doing for the holidays. Me, Christmas time's always a good time. You get to see some lights. I love Christmas lights, man. And decorations. But yeah, you get to see that. And then, family, dinner. 30, man. But yeah, I'm trying to get this house good, yo. Put a little more on this one. I bet. Damn! Yeah, I got this stuff leaking out the bottom, yo. I'm crying. Damn, I'm crying. Yeah, let me lock in. Hold it there for a sec. And I'm going to pick it up when I get these two walls stuck together. Alright, so right now I'm in the process of getting these two walls stuck together, and then I'm going to just add the door because it kept falling over. I was crying, so, Yeah, I'm going to get my spoon. I'm going to lather up the top here. I'm going to put the door in, and hopefully it works out good, yo. Hopefully. But let's lock in. Let's try to do it. Let me give y'all a little better angle here. Yeah.
You're the mean one, Mr. Grinch. You really are a heel. You're as cuddly as a cactus. You're as
Alright, see, I'm no professional, but you know, for my first time, it's not that bad. I got the ground. I got the wall. It's not that bad. I'm not even gonna add my toppings right now. I gotta do that later. Maybe let it dry. But for right now, you see me, I'm adding my icing. I'm gonna just put on all the walls. I don't even know. This is windows. Like, yo, I just did nice on this edge too. Like, I got all the ice in there. I'm gonna try to stick. What am I supposed to stick? I guess this wall. Maybe I wasn't supposed to put this there, this wall there, but you know, I'm kind of just winging it at this point. I'm not gonna lie to you. Well, I got put icing on this other one right here. Yo, I'm focused. Alright, so now that I got icing, I'm gonna put my... Damn, my shit just cried. Damn, my shit just cried.
Few moments later.
Alright, so you know, I don't think I'm doing this right. I don't think I was supposed to put this piece at the bottom here. Maybe I was supposed to go for the roof, because you know, I don't think I have a roof. But you know, sucks to suck. Right now, I guess my house is having no roof. I got these two, you know, on four windows on one side actually, and then just this wall, and then the door on the other side. And I got this other piece. I assume it's gonna go here. But if my house has no roof, you know, mans don't cry. It's all good. Like I said, if my house has no roof, you know, and it starts to rain or something, like my gingerbread are gonna be crying. But you know, they're gonna have to make do with what we got. I kind of messed it up, my bad. But let me know your guys' favorite part of the holidays too. Like I said, mine is definitely the Christmas lights. I love going to see all the Christmas lights and houses all done up nice for the festive holiday. Because you know, even if you don't celebrate Christmas, the holidays and just Christmas time around that time, December, end of the year, it's still just a nice time in general. Everybody's all together with their family, having a great time. You know, most people are off work. You know, most people's families are off work, so they just have times, you know, to spend, do what they want to do. Great time, great time. But yeah, like I said, I had to change up the camera location, you know, because you guys can't even see me no more because the house got too big. But let's go ahead and build up this other part of the house, and let's, you know, kind of get to the finishing touches.
Mr. Grinch, your heart's an empty hole. Your brain is full of spiders.
Yo, I think this is pretty solid for my first time, you know. Like I said, the roof is crying, but at least everything kind of connects, except for this one wall. I just kind of improvised here. I don't know, the pieces were really confusing. Maybe I should have read the instructions. Probably should have, but I don't got time for that. You know, I'm just trying to decorate my gingerbread house for the holidays. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and put these last few pieces up. Maybe decorate it with some of these, you know, the gummies and stuff. And yeah. Alright, so now that, you know, I got all my pieces on the gingerbread house, you already know what it's time to do. The candies come next. These are just these randy dandy candies. You know, let's go ahead and put them on. Stick one, maybe one right there. Let's go ahead and get it. Alright, so first one I want to do is this one. I think this could be a good addition to my house. Let's get some icing so it sticks.
Given the choice between the two of you, I'd take the seasick crocodile. The mean one.
I'm kind of just grabbing these mint candies, putting some icing on, and sticking it wherever I can. Yo, like, this is not going how I wanted, but you know, still super jokes. Let me know, how we looking so far? Okay, this one's crying down. Pre this one, yo.
Bruh.
Let me scooch this one back up. Hold it there first. Yeah, this wall's kind of crying. I might have to, you know, put a little more icing on this wall. But yeah, okay, look, it's crying down. But yeah, how we looking so far? How we looking? Okay. Nah, that's not too bad. It's not too bad. How we looking? Maybe apply some candies over here on this wall. This wall's looking kind of dry. This one's kind of crying off the top there. But, you know, let's get some candies. Maybe I should just put some on the floor in there too, honestly. Maybe some of these. Let's try it.
A few inches later.
Alright, so, you know, it kind of cried a bit, but now we're back on our way. I think we're looking pretty good now. Well, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Almost done. Just got this last one. Yeah.
You're a vile one, Mr. Grinch. You have termites in your smile.
Alright, so what did YouTube? This looks like it's going to be the finished product. Like I said, you know, I'm no professional or anything. I'm just a beginner. My first time ever doing this. So I think it's pretty good. You know, I tried my best. You know, kind of wanted to get like a little video before it cried. But yeah, this is nice for the holidays, you know. I'm going to definitely be enjoying this. You know, I got my little goodies in there. And then... yeah, it's kind of just drying right now. Let me know in the comment section. This side's kind of plain. I didn't even bag that, but I got, you know, I guess that's me. And then, you know, a snowman. Yeah, and then, you know, 2 green and red for Christmas right on the top. 30, man. 30. Yeah. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this little, you know, DIY, how to put together, you know, a gingerbread house, let me know in the comment section and maybe I can come up with more videos like this. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe if you're new. And happy holidays. You know, we're coming into Christmas time. So yeah, it's around the corner. I hope everybody's excited, ready for the holidays. But yeah, without further ado, I'll be signing off. I'll see y'all in the next one. Let's get it.
You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. You really are a hero.